downhill after I leave here. All those things that Steve is kind enough to say about me, I could say about him. And the Lord has knit our hearts together greatly, and I have immense respect for him. He has become my favorite preacher to listen to, and I know that would probably be true of many of you as well. I'm always privileged and honored to be on the same program with him anywhere and everywhere, whether it's at Grace Church or here, or with Ligonier or whoever else invites us and matches us up together. We thoroughly enjoy that. It's a privilege to be back at Christ Fellowship with the church. This place is on my heart because Steve is such a close friend that we share so many things, and I know the work here, and I know many of you who are here in this church, and I thank you for your loving support of this gifted man of God and for making his ministry so joyful for him here. Thank you for that. His joys become my joys because we share so much. Recently, we talked him into becoming the professor of preaching at the Master's Seminary, and we're delighted with that. And he just taught his first class there. We had a group of about 100 wide-eyed new seminary men who spent 1 week with him. It was an unbelievable experience for these guys because the standard was raised as high as it could possibly be raised with regard to the duty and responsibility of being an expositor of the Word of God and the shepherd of God's flock. I think it scared the daylights out of these young men who now know they better work hard as they go through their seminary training to be prepared for this very elevated, demanding task. But it was a great week, and the repercussions are going to go on long term in the lives of the men who were there, and they've even reverberated through the students who were already in school and the alumni who are all feeling cheated because they weren't in on that class. There's going to be more coming up in the future. Now, I do realize that I am downloadable, and I have been amply digitized, and I understand that. And if you would like to hear a sermon from me, feel free. And they are free, as you well know, and they should be. So what I want to do with you in the sessions that we have is something Steve asked me to do without sort of giving me the methodology or the formula for how to do this. I want to take a chapter in the Scripture that has already been identified as Isaiah 53. And I want to take you down into that chapter, and I want you to come out understanding that chapter.
Well, we can't. We can have a
If you have never preached on Isaiah 53 and during the ministry, God have mercy on your sin-sick, shriveled up. You will now be prepared in the next 2 days to be able to preach on Isaiah 53. I want to read this section of Scripture because reading it is such a monumental experience. And I want to start in chapter 52, verse 13. When this text really begins, God is the speaker. It is in the first person. It is Yahweh himself speaking. And he is speaking of the future coming of the Ebed, the slave of Jehovah, the servant of Jehovah. As chapter 53 begins, Israel speaks. And they speak all the way down to the middle of verse 11, and then God gives the final words. God introduces this 53rd chapter, which is proclaimed by the nation Israel. And then God adds the postscript affirming that everything that they